Hey guys, Ricardo here. Welcome to another blog tech tips. And as you can see here guys, it's the KESU external portable hard drive and it's USB 3.0. And as you can see here, this is the packaging. This is the preview of the product along with the name and their logo right here. And of course, if you see over here, it says USB 2.0 or 3.0. And it's just a basic portable storage 2.5-inch mobile hard drive. What I like about this guys is how small and convenient it is, and as I said, this is a quick look. So as you see here, it supports both Windows and Mac, and on the other side of the box you see the same information. Now going around the product, you can check out the specifications on the back here. At any time you can pause to see the full details. Alright, and this goes up to 1 terabyte. Alright, now let's go ahead and look at what it looks like inside of the package. So we're just going to open this up and come back in a few seconds. Alright, so here we go guys, this is package open. Now this is the hard drive itself, very small and portable with the logo on the front. The sides we have nothing, and on the back there is the capacity. This is a 320 gigabyte version from KESU. And of course right here you can see the USB 3.0, and that's for faster data speeds, meaning you can transfer very large files in a short period of time. And this is the front. The body is hard plastic, and over here you can see the USB 3.0 cable here, and this is just a breakout cable, and it comes inside of this box that you see over here along with other documentation. Alright guys, let's have a quick look at the KESU external portable hard drive. This is Ricardo saying bye until next time. Bye.